Denver. No?
The post we are leaning on is one of the posts which holds this ridge, and we'll put a couple more posts to support this one, so we can remove maybe tomorrow the rest of the rafters. So we are done here with the supports, and we'll go to clear. Do you know the style, the way of the beam? We need to clear the way of the beam.
Вече насаме празно отдолу. Най-много може. Тук виждаш къде е свършена тази стена.
The LVLs, they're called, laminated veneered lumber, and they've been engineered to take the weight of the new structure upstairs here, and span the areas on the main floor where there is no support. So like this long LVL here, you kind of see there's support on the end, then supports in the middle. We've got two in the middle here, actually three support points, and then a support on the outside wall. And then the same here on these LVLs. We have one that's supported. This actually is being supported in multiple locations because there's a wall partly under that. And then it's tied into a LVL over there. So that's what's going in first. And then that kind of gives us the base for our structure. Where this LVL is here, one of the reasons it's so big, it's a 16-inch double LVL. It has to take the weight of, some of the weight, partial weight of the floor, plus the exterior wall is built on this beam. So it not only has to take the weight of the floor, it has to take the weight of the wall, and some of the weight of the roof, and the weight of the ridge. The main ridge on this back room.
Boris put in little studs here for knee wall.
Yeah, that's actually support. We have a continuous support wall through down here, so it's just a little knee wall and joists. 2x10 joists will sit on that. Out here, there's no support under, so we have to have have the LVL, so the joist will tie into the LVL. We'll put joist hangers on, and then the joists here on this, above this wall, can just sit on top of the knee wall, just like typical framing, and then they'll extend that way as well. Here we are, July 2nd in the afternoon. We've made a little bit of progress since yesterday. A lot of prep work. A lot of prep work that can't be seen, just clearing. Things like, there was a big attic fan that was under that OSB plywood there, and that had to come out. And a lot of clearing out of insulation and moving of wires in this area here. And then we completed the rest of these floor joists here, built that wall down in the very end, and then once that new little knee wall there, and then once this gable comes out, then that wall can be carried across. Down on this end, we're installing this LVL, and then once that's installed, we'll run joists, 2x10 joists, attach them with hangers on that LVL, and then run them across and set them on that wall over there. This is a wall, continuous wall here. We'll jog it over and put another beam here, and then continue on and floor all the way to here. All the new framing, the new floor system for the second floor is totally independent of the existing ceiling joists. The existing ceiling joists are mostly 2x8, and a lot of contractors would come in and simply add a larger joist to the side of the existing joists. This way, the new floor system is totally independent. For one thing, it provides better insulation, it provides against sound transmission. You put more insulation in there, plus you don't stress the existing structure.
All this is what's been done since yesterday.
Yes.
Still going pretty much according to plan, or a little ahead, or on schedule?
No, I think about according to plan.
Yeah.
I mean, there's things we run into that we didn't foresee. There always is once you start uncovering and measuring, but we just took it in stride and continued on. So it's going along well. I mean, I don't know. This would look pretty cool from the inside.
Yeah.
But, if you wanted more light or something, you could always not have this and do like trees, like the center.
So that's good. All right.
Yeah. Might wind up, turn out to, be kind of like the plans are in the end.
Yeah, more or less. Yeah, ballpark it.
Yeah.
They're just a suggestion.
Right.